Hello, hello, hello. How the hell are ya? Hope everybody is healthy and happy today and enjoying your Friday. For those of you working, I hope it's not too bad. For those of you off, I'm hoping you're enjoying it. We survived a tornado this week. Some of our friends and neighbors didn't fare so well. Just within a mile of us, some of them, their homes were crushed. My childhood home was crushed. Not a good thing, but I don't believe there were personal injuries or any fatalities. So property damage can be replaced and fixed. So well wishes to all those affected by the tornadoes on the East Coast on Tuesday. All right, I am going to do a pour today. I am using a 10 by 10 Artist Loft level 3 canvas. I am going to do a Dutch pour and use my new toy, my airbrush. It took me some time to kind of get the pressure right. I did a video earlier today and the little lid that sits on the paint cup when you do use it for painting fell off right into my painting. Luckily it didn't do irreparable harm. So we're going to do a black base and we're going to do kind of fiery colors. I am going to use DecoArt 24 karat gold. I am using what I call Cat's Brick Red. It's a combination of Napthole red and burnt sienna. I'll put the ratios in the description. I am using Amsterdam's Azo Orange. I am using Pyrole Red from Liquitex Basics. I'm using Amsterdam Primary Yellow. I am using Arteza Indian Yellow. Lowly Veffy bottles, great investment. I use them all the time. I'm trying to get rid of these. The caps are just a pain in the rear end and these screw tops are so convenient. And the sizes are really convenient, although they have decent sizes in these kind of bottles too. But I'm really enjoying my investment in these. And of course my Lowly Veffy mat, and I hold no affiliation with no company, so the products I brag about or use are my choice and my choice only. I don't get paid, I don't get commissions from anybody, anywhere, anytime. That's my disclaimer for the day. Okay, so give me a minute and I'm going to cover my base and then we'll get started. Cut. Okay, I am back. I just covered this. I just need to torch it. And I forgot to mention for my base, I'm using Amsterdam's Lamp Black. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and Water only. And I also forgot to mention that I added some Primary Elements Sunset Glow to my Pyrole Red. And I added Primary Elements Sunburst to my Primary Yellow. Just to spruce it up a bit. And with Dutch pours, I am working on my consistency, and today I think I finally got a better consistency. This lamp black is also a very nice black. Sometimes you get a black and they're not really black. I'm just tilting this because I can see space where there's less paint. And I just want to add a little bit. I don't want naked canvas anywhere. Okay, so let the games begin. What to do, what to do. I think I want to start with the brick red. I think I'm just going to go diagonal. Do the Azo Orange. And then we'll do the Pyrole Red. I think that needs just a little stir. Do some Primary Yellow. This is a lot of paint. But that's okay. It's just a test of the emergency broadcast system. Okay, not funny maybe. And then I'm going to add some gold. Okay. Now, keep your fingers crossed and don't laugh too hard. I am a novice. And me and this airbrush have only recently started dating. So here we go. I'm just going to start from the top and go to the bottom. Alright, so that's the general theme. Now, we're going to let it sit for a minute because I see things are happening. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cat's happy. I'll give you a little peek. Cat's happy. And we like it when Cat's happy. Okay, sorry. I don't mean to talk about myself in the third person. But I have been trying to get this technique down pat, and I think today is the best paint consistency I've had yet. So I am really pleased. I just think it needs a little frilling, but how to frill it is what I'm trying to decide. I am very pleased with this. This is really pretty. Really pretty. It's hard to distinguish between the two reds, but I want it a little wispy. So I just really need to get right at the ends. See, that's the thing, learning how to direction the airflow from this. So I hope you're learning something while I'm learning something, because again, this is pretty foreign to me, but I'm enjoying it right now. As you can tell. Oh yes, oh yes. Cat's got it. Told you, I never thought I was an artistic person. And this has just brought out a part of me I didn't know existed. My husband is an artist, and not by trade, and he really doesn't do much of it anymore, but he laughs at me. Ooh, I like that. Whoa, I didn't need to go that hard. Okay, but I don't like that. This is so pretty, 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 pretty. Just a couple more little wispies. Maybe something right here. There's a few cells right there. I wonder if I should torch it before I do anything else. But I kind of want to blow that. All right, and again, I'm not liking what I just did completely. I'm gonna do a I'm doing a Molly from Molly's Artistry. She likes to do her little finger, and I haven't got that down pat because I'm not a real gentle-handed person. Maybe if I just let the tip of the glove do the work, I don't know. And my lighting isn't the greatest at the moment. There we go. Oh my goodness, it makes it even look better. Oh, how pretty is that? I don't think I want to do anything else to it. Let me torch. Ooh la la! I'm sorry I'm so quiet. I'm just mesmerized by how pretty this is. Okay, I think I'm going to leave well enough alone. Maybe one little brief torch. Check for touch-up needs. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Oh yeah. Sorry, those areas just look like little balls of something. Like this little, where is my stick? Like this one. I just think it needs to. There we go. I didn't like those perfect like I can't talk now. Circles in there. Okay, taking you in for the close-up. Look at that shimmer shimmer. 24 karat gold and primary elements. Beautiful, beautiful. My color scheme worked out well, and my airbrushing talent wasn't so bad for a novice. I'm really pleased. I didn't have a composition in mind, and this worked out pretty well. So I like it. Let's hope it dries well. I want to thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. I just hit 51 subscribers. Yay for me. and I would like to bolster that to 100 as quickly as possible. So please make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you comment on my videos. I take constructive feedback as well as positivity comments. The more positivity, the better. All my work is for sale. If you're interested, contact me at acrylicsbykat@gmail.com. Have a great day.